Hey developers, welcome back to the second video of the CSS Android illustration. So to pick up where we left off in the last video, we're going to now do the last three elements, which is the body, arms, and the legs. So starting off with the Android body, this will be relatively simple because it's just a square positioned right underneath the face. So let's take a quick look at the image of what we need to achieve. And you can see that we have a square right here for the body, but so we have a border radius for the bottom left and the bottom right. So we need to keep that in mind as well. So going back to the styles now, we can easily do this with an Android. Let's target the body first. And to make a perfect square, we can do a width of 100 pixels, a height of the same 100 pixels. And let's do a background color from the variable of the Android primary. And now we can also do let's save this first. So now let's do the border radius. So it will be the bottom left and the bottom right. So border dash bottom left radius, we'll do 10 pixels. And we can do the same thing for the bottom right. So now we have the bottom right here, and this is fine up here. So let's position this properly. We can do top of 82 pixels. And a left of 50 pixels. So we need to transform it to translate the x back -50. And let's do that now. So these values that I've done, so these are all what I've done with my trial and error when I was doing this. So you can change these values to whatever ones that suit your needs. So just wanted to say that. So now if we translate the x, it goes back to the center. And that's about it for the body. Pretty simple there. So moving on to the arms now. The arms we can do similar to what we did for the antennas. We'll do a basic styles here and then position both the left and the right. So let's do the Android _arm. And this will just be a kind of rectangle, so we'll do 20 pixels, height of 75 pixels. And we'll also do a background color. And let's do the Android primary again. And now we can do a border radius of 10 pixels. So we won't be able to see anything just yet because it's kind of hidden with the body. So if we change this, just to show you, if we change this to red, you can see it's kind of right here. So we need to position the left and right properly. So I'm going to change the color back for now. And so let's do the both the Android _arm. We can do target the left, and let's just move the left -25 pixels. So the left will be -25 to go out a little bit here. And there we can see the left arm done. So for the right one, we can do the same thing, but position it in a different way. So now instead of targeting the left, we can target the right of -25. So the right will be here, and on -25, we can bring it out a little bit. So pretty simple there. And for the final part, for the legs will be the same thing as the arms, but positioned at the bottom for the legs. So let's do the Android, the common styles for the legs, which would be another rectangle kind of shape. So we'll do a width of 20 pixels, a height of 60 pixels. Give it another background color. We can do Android primary again. And now we can also do the border radius of 10 pixels. So essentially similar to what we did for the arms, but let's position this at the bottom. Oops, the bottom for -30 pixels. Just like that. Not showing. Oh, right, because I put legs when it was Android _leg, not legs. So now we can see the legs showing up here because we pushed it to the bottom -30 pixels. Now we just need to target both the left and the right to be in the right position. So if we do the Android underscore leg dash left, we can make this one left of 25 pixels. And that moves it over here. So the right will be pushed just a little bit further more off from the right. So let's copy this to the right leg. And instead of the left, we can target the right. So from the right 0, it will be pushed 25 pixels here. And now if I get rid of the initial background for the Android, the wrapper, we can now see that the blue border is gone. And there you have it. We have the same result as what we initially tried to achieve. So that's how you create a CSS Android illustration. It's just a lot of, I guess, making a lot of divs and positioning these where you want to. So that's all for this video now. If you have any comments or any other illustrations you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.